Hello everyone, are you curious about how to measure wattage while cycling? Let's find out. Measuring wattage while cycling provides valuable insight into your performance, fitness level, and training progress. Watts are a unit of power that represents the rate at which energy is generated or consumed, making them a useful metric for quantifying cycling effort and intensity. Whether you're a competitive cyclist, a recreational rider, or someone looking to improve their fitness, understanding how to measure wattage can help you train smarter and achieve your cycling goals more effectively. Let's explore some methods for measuring wattage while cycling and how they can benefit your training and performance. Power meters are specialized devices that measure the wattage produced by a cyclist while riding. These devices typically consist of strain gauges mounted on the crank arms, pedals, or rear hub of the bike, which measure the force applied by the cyclist's legs and calculate the corresponding power output in watts. Power meters provide real-time feedback on your effort level, allowing you to monitor your power output, pace yourself more effectively, and optimize your training intensity. There are several types of power meters available on the market, each with its own advantages and limitations. Crank-based power meters are among the most popular and accurate options, as they measure power directly at the point where force is applied to the pedals. Pedal-based power meters offer similar accuracy and convenience, allowing you to easily transfer the power meter between bikes. Rear hub and bottom bracket power meters are less common but still provide reliable power data for cyclists. Another way to measure wattage while cycling is to use a smart trainer or stationary bike equipped with power measurement capabilities. Smart trainers are stationary bike trainers that connect to cycling apps and software platforms via Bluetooth or ANT+ technology, allowing you to simulate outdoor riding conditions and measure power output indoors. These trainers adjust resistance automatically based on your target power or workout goals, providing a more interactive and engaging training experience. Some cycling computers and GPS devices also have built-in power meter functionality, allowing you to measure and display power data directly on your handlebars while riding. These devices typically require the use of a compatible power meter or smart trainer and may offer basic power metrics such as average power, normalized power, and training zones. While they may not be as accurate or comprehensive as dedicated power meters, they provide a convenient and accessible option for cyclists looking to monitor their power output on the go. Regardless of the method you choose to measure wattage while cycling, it's essential to understand how to interpret and use power data effectively in your training. Power meters provide valuable metrics such as average power, maximum power, power balance, and cadence, which can help you track your progress, set training goals, and analyze your performance. By incorporating power-based training into your routine, you can optimize your workouts, improve your fitness level, and achieve better results on the bike. In summary, measuring wattage while cycling offers numerous benefits for cyclists of all levels, from beginners to elite athletes. Whether you're training for a race, aiming to improve your fitness, or simply looking to track your progress, power meters provide valuable insights into your performance and training intensity. By understanding how to measure and interpret power data effectively, you can optimize your training, maximize your cycling potential, and reach your goals more efficiently. So, consider investing in a power meter or smart trainer and start harnessing the power of watts to take your cycling to the next level. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.